Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make hair mousse at home. Creating your own styling products is simpler than you might think, and it offers a fantastic way to control the ingredients you put on your hair. We'll explore a straightforward recipe using common household items, ensuring a natural and effective hold. Get ready to transform your hair care routine with this easy, do-it-yourself approach, saving money and avoiding harsh chemicals. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items. First, gather 1 cup of distilled water and 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. For added nourishment and scent, have 1 teaspoon of argan oil and about 5 drops of your favorite essential oil ready. You'll also need a clean mixing bowl, a whisk, and a convenient pump bottle for storage. Now let's mix it up. Start by pouring the 1 cup of distilled water and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into your mixing bowl. Using your whisk, beat the mixture vigorously for several minutes until it transforms into a light, frothy consistency. This aeration is key to achieving that mousse-like texture. Finally, slowly incorporate the 1 teaspoon of argan oil and 5 drops of essential oil, ensuring everything is thoroughly combined. Once your mousse is ready, carefully transfer it into your clean pump bottle. To use, simply apply a small amount, about a quarter-sized dollop, to damp hair, distributing it evenly from roots to ends. Style as usual for added volume, definition, and a soft hold. You'll love having a natural, chemical-free styling product that promotes healthy hair and saves you money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.